Welcome to Ask Amy. I'm Amy Cadora. The cleansing agents from Norwex are safe from harmful chemicals, right? Yes, absolutely. We have our own in-house product safety and regulatory team that pioneered the Norwex 360 Product Safety Review. This is a robust ingredient and formula analysis that evaluates each ingredient, each formula, and biodegradability of it across many different criteria. In effect, looking at each ingredient from 360 degrees. We go beyond no sulfates and no parabens, and we never compromise when it comes to the quality and safety of our products. We meticulously develop our products based on extensive research and evidence-based scientific facts, not opinions. We created our very own no-no list, which details the most well-known nasty ingredients that we will never use in our products. But that's actually just the tip of the iceberg. We review absolutely every ingredient that goes into our formulas to ensure that we never use any CMR substances, those that are known carcinogenic, mutagenic, or toxic to reproduction, or known endocrine disruptors. Each ingredient and formula is reviewed for any toxicological potential, and we use the precautionary principle to guide this evaluation. This rules out many ingredients that have a high potential of harm. Each ingredient is also evaluated against these criteria: allergenicity, mutagenicity, genotoxicity, systemic toxicity, phototoxicity, acute aquatic toxicity, eye and skin irritancy, acute toxicity, specific organ toxicity, photosensitivity, and biodegradability. At this stage in the process, there are more than 2,400 chemicals on this list that Norwex will not use. We then research each ingredient and formula against global regulatory agencies, as well as established industry standards like Europe's REACH, the European Union Cosmetic Directive, the US EPA, and Oikotex, just to list a few. Each formula is also tested for impurities, including heavy metals, 1,4-dioxane, ethylene oxide, and acrylamides as applicable. We also test the biodegradability of each household formula and are proud of the USDA bio-based certification we have on many of our products. Finally, we conduct extensive independent efficacy, clinical, consumer, and safety studies through independent testing by third-party labs to ensure our products are both incredibly safe and incredibly effective. All of these tests allow us to confidently say our products are absolutely clean. They're Norwex clean. We never stop evaluating, researching, and innovating to bring you products you can trust. It's our mission and it's our passion. What's the difference between UPP and microfiber cleaner? So the short answer is that UPP is perfect for everyday cleaning, and microfiber booster is great for those deeper targeted cleaning needs you might have. So let's start with UPP. This is a highly concentrated, superior stain-fighting powder that's going to whiten your whites, brighten brights, and dissolve grease and grime. Plus, it's safe on most fabrics, including hand washables and, of course, Norwex microfiber. Now, our enzyme-based microfiber cleaner laundry booster provides a deeper cleaning using broad-spectrum surfactants and enzymes that are specifically designed to go over all kinds of stains and odors. The microfiber cleaner laundry booster restores dingy, smelly laundry to bright, clean, and fresh without harmful chemicals from bleach, ammonia, or synthetic fragrances. It eliminates all kinds of laundry stains and odors, including grass, urine, blood, grease, grime, and even more, and even in hard water. It's safe for all machine washable fabrics, and you can use it as a hot water pre-soak or as part of your regular laundry routine to deep clean. And that concludes our Ask Amy episode. Thanks so much for joining us.